Hi guys, Jason here. I'm just going to answer some questions regarding the NASA mission called the Space Shuttle Challenger, that incident that happened back in 1986. So first thing is there's quite a few things that went into it. Just concerns that arose, and then passings that happened, which led to the explosion of the Challenger in 1986. And so the first question really is what could have NASA done differently? From reading this story, what they could have done differently is that they should have listened to the engineers who explicitly said that there should be tests done because some of the parts were not tested for lower temperatures than were recorded that day of the launch. This also resulted in malfunctions, which led to the explosion. So they should have listened, and they should have postponed any kind of launch until those parts were tested so that the safety of those people that were flying around, as well as surrounding areas, could be in a safe position. The second question is, what should Roger Boisjoli should have done differently? Well, he is also one of the engineers that complained to the company that some of these parts were either defective or they were not tested yet, along with Dr. McDonald, who was with this company. And so that he really did his part by complaining to the company that some of these parts were either not functional or should be tested. So really, he really should not have done differently. But if he would have been fired for trying to do that, then it could have led to him being fired, and jobs were very slim back in the day, especially if he would have gotten fired from a major government entity. And then the last question is, what do I see as future engineering professional responsibilities in relation to both being loyal to management and protecting the public welfare? Well, first and foremost, safety comes first, because we do have a responsibility as citizens to keep each other safe and make sure not to put each other in harm's way. So first, follow management. If they have a project that they need you to do, go ahead and do it. If you see any problems that could be risky to the citizens' safety, then yes, measures should be taken to make management aware of the issue, and always make sure to put safety first, even if management is not too keen about that decision. Because doing the right thing is always the most important, including the safety of our citizens, especially in an engineering project, because it can cause major fatalities and major destruction and major malfunctions, which can impact a lot of things besides just casualties and injuries, but can also injure the economy, can also injure reputation, can injure a lot of other people around, and trust especially. And so when we consider this mission and just some of the errors that took place as part of the mission and the explosion that happened, we should always consider the safety of our citizens and safety of each other, as our safety is the top priority. So hope you guys have a good day.